If you love snacking but want to keep it healthy, then you need to try our protein popcorn recipes. Perfect for any occasion. Get ready to elevate your snack game with protein-packed popcorn. It's perfect for movie nights, game days, or sharing with friends. Imagine munching on fluffy, delicious popcorn that's not just tasty, but good for you too. For a simple protein popcorn, pop your kernels, spritz with cooking spray, sprinkle with your favorite protein powder, and mix well. Want a nutty twist? Add mixed nuts, a teaspoon of melted butter, and your favorite seasonings. Sweet or spicy, it's up to you. Or try our peanut butter popcorn. Melt peanut butter, vanilla extract, sugar, and butter, then drizzle over your popcorn. Let it cool and enjoy. Protein. Popcorn. The perfect snack for any event. Crunch, munch, and feel great.